Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this option is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps in your browser. So as I said, let me open my browser and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. But if you want to close or remove actually all of them, but you've got too much records, then simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic options right here and advanced options. So here we've got browsing history, cookies, assay data, cached images and files in basics, and then in advanced, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from all time to last 7 days, last 15 minutes, it's up to you. I will leave all time and then tap on clear data. Tap on clear, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.